The simulation that I found to be very interesting as I was searching simulations was one of the Civil War simulations. It's a really actually a pretty cool simulation where it puts the students in the leadership positions of some of the important leaders during the Civil War. They get to face a lot of the same problems and issues that the leadership faced during the Civil War, and it is a great way to build their understanding um, of war, of the United States, and of the conflict in general. Um, but this is one that I did find quite interesting. I didn't see too many limitations with it. I mean, I do think one limitation is it would take a while. I do see it taking quite a while to get through all this, but it does a great job of hitting on a lot of the standards and objectives that you would like to teach your students, like the major battles, like what were they trading, what were some of the problems they were facing, all the things that you'd like to teach in the Civil War. It does a great job of hitting on those. Um, Students do get to like be Abraham Lincoln. You'd have an Abraham Lincoln. You'd have a Jefferson Davis. They would get that. They would get to proceed in the vote of the president election in the 1860s. So they would take a lot of those important things that happened, and a lot of those important things that you want to teach, and they would incorporate into that. Like I said, I don't see a lot of limitations. I see it being a ton of fun. I remember doing something similar to this when I was in high school. We did a Nazi concentration camp where we took the spots of Jewish families and how it affected them during time. And I feel like this simulation is a lot like that, where you're taking some of those different roles and it really is putting you in that real life. What was happening back then? It gives you that real life experience that I don't think just a PowerPoint would give you. So I think this is one really good